Selena, Class 10, Chapter 18, Tangents and Intersecting Chords. Sum number 32. In the following figure, a circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If BC is 38 centimeter, QB is 27 centimeter, DC is 25 centimeter, and AD is perpendicular to DC, find the radius of the circle. From the figure, we see that BQ is equal to BR equal to 27 centimeter, since the length of the tangent segment from an external points are equal. BC is 38 centimeter, therefore CR is equal to CB minus BR. 38 minus 27 equal to 11 centimeter. Again, CR is equal to CS equal to 11 centimeter. Length of the tangent segments from an external points are equal. Now DC is 25 centimeter, therefore DS is equal to DC minus SC, which is equal to 25 minus 11 equal to 14 centimeter. In quadrilateral DSOP, angle PDS equal to 90 degree, angle OSD equal to 90 degree, angle OPD equal to 90 degree. Since the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, therefore DSOP is a parallelogram. Implies OP is parallel to SD, PD is parallel to OS. Now OP is equal to OS, radii of the same circle. Therefore OPDS is a square. Therefore DS is equal to OP equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of the circle equal to 14 centimeter. Sum number 33. In the figure, XY is the diameter of the circle and PQ is the tangent to the circle at Y. Given angle AXB is equal to 50 degree, angle ABX equal to 70 degree. Calculate angle BAY and angle APY. In triangle AXB, sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. Therefore, angle XAB is equal to 50 plus 70 equal to 180 degree. Angle XAB equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Angle XXAY is 90 degree angle in a semicircle. Therefore, angle BAY is equal to angle XAY minus angle XAB equal to 90 minus 60 equal to 30 degree. And angle BXY is equal to angle BAY equal to 30 degree angle in the same segment. Therefore, angle ACX is equal to BXY plus ABX. Okay, external angle is equal to sum of two interior angle, which is 30 plus 70 equal to 100 degree. Also, angle XYP is equal to 90 degree because diameter is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, angle APY is equal to angle ACX minus angle CYP, which is equal to 100 minus 90 equal to 100 degree. External angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Sum number 34. In the given figure, QAP is the tangent at point A and PBD is the straight line. If ACB equal to 36 centimeter, APB equal to 42 centimeter, find first part angle BAP, second angle ABD, third angle QAD, fourth angle BCD. PAQ is a tangent and AB is a chord. First part, therefore angle BAP is equal to angle ACB equal to 36 degree, angles in alternate segment. Second part, in triangle ABP, angle exterior angle ABD is equal to angle APB plus angle BAP, which is 42 plus 36 equal to 78 degree. Third part, angle ADB is equal to angle ACB equal to 36 degree, angle in the same segment. Now in triangle BAD, exterior angle QAD is equal to angle APB plus angle ADB, which is equal to 42 plus 36 equal to 78 degree. Fourth part, PAQ is a tangent and AD is the chord. Therefore angle QAD is equal to angle ACD equal to 78 degree, angles in the alternate segments. And angle BCD is equal to angle ACB plus angle ACD. Therefore angle BCD is equal to 36 plus 78 equal to 114 degree. Sum number 35. In the given figure, AB is the diameter and the tangent at C meets AB produced at Q. Find angle if angle CAB equal to 34 degree, find first part angle CBA, second part angle CQB. First part, AB is the diameter, therefore angle ACB equal to 90 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore 34 plus CBA plus 90 equal to 180 degree, implies angle CBA equal to 56 degree. QC is the tangent to the circle, therefore angle CAB is equal to angle QCB. Angles between the tangent and chord is equal to angles in the alternate segment. Therefore angle QCB equal to 34 degree. ABQ is a straight line, therefore angle ABC plus angle CBQ equal to 180 degree. 56 plus angle CBQ equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle CBQ is 124 degree. Now angle CQB is equal to 180 minus angle QCB minus angle CBQ, which is equal to 180 minus 34 minus 124. Angle CQB is equal to 22 degree. Sum number 36. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle and tangent at B and D intersects each other at P. If AB is parallel to CD and angle ABC equal to 55 degree, find first part angle BOD, second part angle BPD. Angle BOD is twice angle BCD, which is equal to 2 into 55, 110 degree. Second part, since BOD PDO is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles sum is, or opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle BOD plus angle BPD equal to 180 degree. Angle BPD is equal to 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree.